Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today's tutorial is inspired by Pinterest eye makeup trends. I will show you step by step how to create this beautiful pastel eyeshadow combination that is perfect for the summer season. This tutorial is very short and easy, so if you'd like to try this eye makeup look, keep watching the rest of the video and let's get started. To start, I'm using this attractive eyeshadow color. With a small flat brush, I'm applying the eyeshadow only to the inner part of my eyelid and extend it up to the middle of the lid. This is similar to when we do the cut crease technique, but this time instead of using concealer, we are using eyeshadow. So follow your natural crease and cover it with the eyeshadow. If you don't have this eyeshadow color, you can use a combination of light purple shade and white eyeshadow. Alternatively, you can do the cut crease technique and apply the light purple or blue eyeshadow. Next, I'm using a black eyeshadow that can be found in most eyeshadow palettes. I'm switching to a fluffy or blending brush and applying a layer of the eyeshadow to the outer corner of my eyelid. As you know, blending black eyeshadow can be a bit challenging, so add the eyeshadow gradually and blend it seamlessly to achieve a soft, smoky look without any harsh lines. For this eye makeup look, you can use your favorite eyeshadow palette. In any case, I've included the details of the products used in the description section, so feel free to check it there. I take my time carefully blending the eyeshadow to ensure there are no harsh lines and the end result is clean. I also add another layer of the black eyeshadow towards the outer corner of my eyelid. The key is to be patient and really work on blending the eyeshadow seamlessly, building up the intensity gradually. Taking the time to blend well ensures there are no harsh lines or uneven application and creates a soft, diffused, smoky eye look. I also use the previous eyeshadow shade to fix and fill in any areas on the inner part of my eyelid that were not fully covered by the main eyeshadow. Again, I use the same eyeshadow shade and apply it along the lower lash line, starting at the inner corner and extend it halfway across the lower lash line using a small flat brush. And I perform the same process for the other half of my lower lash line. We've reached the part I'm most excited about, the glitter. I'm using this silver glitter and applying it to the center of my eyelid using my finger. It's really shimmery and sparkling. I personally love it. I'm dipping my eyeliner brush into the glitter and then drawing a curved line at the inner corner of my eyelid. I will recommend trying this technique. I'm sure you will love the result. I typically apply the eyeliner only halfway across my eyelid as I find that suits the shape of my eyes best, but you can extend it all the way to the inner corner based on your own preference. I use false eyelashes and our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching this video up to this point. This eye makeup look is very beautiful and effortless. If this tutorial was helpful for you, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Also, if you're interested in makeup and beauty, I upload tutorial videos every week, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and you don't miss out on future videos. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know, but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe.